Unistone proudly presents its recent clay facade panel project, the iconic Naval Station Health and Wellness Center, located at Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. Spanning a four-sided elevation of approximately 13,000 square feet, Unistone CFP panels brought this architectural vision to life. Unistone worked closely with architects Rupak Kothari and Mathisa Kothari Associates to ensure the facade aligned perfectly with the architectural vision. The CFP panels, sized at 800 mm by 1200 mm with a 15 mm thickness, were installed in two sophisticated shades, Michelangelo Glossy and Polished Brown. Together, these shades created a professional yet welcoming exterior. These panels were meticulously selected for their unmatched performance and low-maintenance properties. The glossy polished finish enhances the building's visual appeal while ensuring long-lasting performance, resistant to weathering and requiring minimal upkeep. The facade maintains its pristine appearance year after year. Look at the transformation, from the precise installation of Unistone CFP to the final seamless facade, redefining the health center. Unistone CFP feature immaculate, flawlessly finished corners, ensuring seamless integration between panels for a cohesive and refined facade. This state-of-the-art facility, named Swastika, serves as a comprehensive, round-the-clock healthcare and wellness hub for naval personnel and their families in the Delhi-NCR region. Recently inaugurated by key naval officials on the 29th of April 2024, Unistone is honored to have contributed to the Naval Health and Wellness Center, a landmark that blends functionality with innovative design and sustainability. Our advanced materials and dedication to excellence continue to shape spaces that inspire and stand the test of time. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.